Gadset is my business. So Gadset actually is into mobile and laptop repairs. So in this we are particularly good at replacing screens. With all of this, with around 3000 budget, now we'll analyze the performance and we'll see.
I had two campaigns that I was running. So one was iPhone and one was Vivo. So I started doing the campaign on iPhone. So I did around 3 ad groups.
We gave preference to like 10 to 15 devices, and then we categorized them as ad groups. Each device has one ad group, and under one ad group we created like 3 ad copies. So whenever so that like to give a user like very good experience, if they are searching MI Note 3 or something, they will get only the note, like the ad will be like specifically for MI Note 3. These are the ad copies for MI Note 3 ad group, and you can see the clicks and impressions. The main reason why we came up with 3 ad copies was like Google can decide which ad copy is better and it optimizes itself.
I have run campaigns for glass replacement for Honor mobiles. Okay, so I'm just going to explain my experience and the how we ran the campaign, the budget we used. The daily budget was 500 rupees. Okay, and the cost per click initially it was 5 rupees, but then we had to increase it because the bid, the bid amount for the keywords was quite high. So I think it's 7.65 now, 7.65 rupees as shown here. So these are all the models, okay, for Honor mobiles. This is for glass replacement. This entire campaign is only for glass replacement.